Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I'm excited to share what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for April. April is my birthday month. The 30th is my birthday. And we are going to celebrate in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom with Birthday Treats class. Now, I've got a Birthday Bonanza Birthday Treats class for you. Class is $40 and includes a package of the Designer Series paper, a full roll of the Daffodil Delight ribbon, and a package of the mini pom-poms. Now that class will include kits for each of the projects that you see here and full-size products, as well as the online classroom. Now, $40 plus $8 shipping if you require it, $40 even if you can pick up in my Rolling Meadows home studio. If we are out of quarantine and the shelter in place, the in-person class in my Rolling Meadows home studio will be April 27th. That's a Monday at 6:30 p.m. So if you're local and you want to join me, and we're playing it by ear with all that's going on these days, that will be the class date. If you can pick up or join me here, $40 is your class cost, and we'll make 5 projects. This fun little gift bag, cute little cake box, awesome gift card holder, matchbook treat, and a mug cake. Those are the 5 projects in the class, and those are your options for a class, either here or to go. Now, if you add on the Bonanza Buddies bundle for $46, I will include a celebration item, so we can in April have a little celebration continuation. Now, it's a celebration item of my choice, but add the birthday Bonanza or the Bonanza Buddies bundle for an additional $46. All right, so that's the class here, or the class to go. It includes kits, it includes products, it includes the online classroom. Now, maybe you are a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, or you have a demonstrator that you love, or you've already ordered all of the birthday Bonanza suite items. You just don't need product at this time. Maybe you don't live in the United States. I have an online only option for you. In the online classroom, which is included with the class here and is included with the class to go, you will receive a full color printable project sheet for each of the projects that you see here. The project sheet, the PDF, includes full color photo, measurements, it includes step-by-step instructions and a Stampin' Up! Supply list, as well as sources when necessary for items that are not Stampin' Up! The online classroom also includes a video for each of the projects. So 5 videos, 5 printable project sheets, supply and shopping lists. Online classroom is $20. You can order that with the PayPal button on KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. Or during the period between today, March 25th, and April 15th, if you place an order for $50 or more at marisaalvarez.stampinup.net and use this host code, you will automatically receive the online classroom for free. Now, the online classroom is scheduled to open. You'll receive the videos, the project sheets, access to the online classroom April 27th. I hope you guys will take the Birthday Bonanza online class with me. If you've got any questions about the class, about here in the Chicago area or to go, we've got questions about the online classroom, you can email Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. You can shop Stampin' Up! 24/7 at marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Register for the online classroom or learn more at KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the online classroom.